Taryn, go ahead and repeat that.
So the image we're looking at on the screen is the image from our onboard navigation camera showing us hovering above the surface of Mars. How incredible!
And that's its shadow, right, Taryn?
Yes, that's its shadow. So the onboard navigation camera points straight down, so we're seeing its shadow right now.
I can just hear Mimi in the background. This is real. This is real. It's so amazing.
Yeah, everyone's really feeling it now. So we're gonna wait for the Perseverance rover image of us.
Yeah.